What is good, YouTube? I am going to be doing a trade breakdown of our two beautiful trades that we caught today. One did 170 ticks, the other trade did 120 ticks. Whole team absolutely banked today. We made a bunch of money. So let's go ahead and get into it here, shall we? So as you guys can see, these were both of our positions, and this was quite a large range that we had today. We're talking a 900 tick range. It's not massive, but it is pretty big in terms of we made this move all the way up, mitigated it all the way down fully. And not only did we do it throughout the entire day, but we also did it at market open here. So as we can see at market open, saw a big sell-off, 500 ticks to the downside in the first 7 minutes of market open, and then buyers step in right away and reverse it all the way back up to the upside. And as we can see, price just kept on moving up, right? We saw no retracement in this time. Price was just steady going up, no retracement, right? So when price does this, bro, what do I want to do? I want to retrace it, because what does the market want to do? The market wants to generate liquidity 24/7. That's all it does. And how can you become a profitable, successful trader? Understanding the draw on liquidity. Once you understand what is price aiming for, bro, the game is fucking simple, bro. The game really does become just your playground pretty much. So as you guys can see, this was our short entry, our first trade here. And what did we enter off of? We entered off this 1 hour SIBI. If you don't know what a SIBI is a sell side imbalance. Fancy terminology for a fair value gap that when price taps into it, it's going to go down, right? Sell side imbalance, that's where we took our entry at off that hourly level. As we can see, if we go to this hourly, zoom in over here. As we can see, it's this hourly SIBI, and we just mark it out with the rectangle tool, of course. Boom, mark it out, mark out the consequent encroachment of that hourly SIBI. 1 hour SIBI like that. And then, we mark out the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. And that is the only entry that I like to take, is off consequent encroachment. As you guys can see, it's for a perfect reason. Look how beautifully that played, bro. Price reacted off of it. Very good, bro. We saw a little bit of drawdown on this trade. Nothing to worry about, bro. Drawdown is normal in a trade. Went into a little bit of drawdown, then absolutely tanked, bro. We caught the very top of the day, signaled out to all the premium members, of course. And I was screen sharing this live. So, obviously the team got to see me execute on this trade live. So took our entry at consequent encroachment. Also, why I was so confident in taking an hourly consequent encroachment entry here was because we swept this buy side liquidity. We had this buy side liquidity right before the CE of this hourly SIBI got tapped into, right? So that is honestly a very good sign for me. I love to see a buy side or sell side level with a high time frame fair value gap, with a high time frame imbalance before or after that level. So seeing sell side or a buy side before that higher time frame level, like in our case here, 1 hour SIBI, and boom, we sweep this liquidity point right here, tap into this hourly SIBI. That's where we take our entry at the consequent encroachment. And then what do I target here? I target the 5-minute 200 EMA, which is this white line you see coming through my screen right here. And as you guys can see, it saw a little bit of reaction once we did tap into it. So, obviously analysis was correct. We did see a little bit of reaction there, but we could have held this thing all the way down. And by the way, we did catch 170 ticks on this trade. I'm back on the 1 minute chart right now, by the way. Yeah, perfect TP at the moment. We saw some reaction at that level, which is good. We also had an order block right here. So, we just mark out the bottom of that order block. Order block plus a 5-minute 200 EMA plus a 1 minute 200 EMA down here. We bagged 167 ticks, a nice little 3 RR. very nice. Okay, very good trade. And for a lot of people, bro, 170 ticks is considered very big, but that's just what we do at Swish Trading, boys. And, you know, we could have held this. Originally, I did want to hold this, but we have elections tomorrow. It was a no news Monday as well. I always expect weird market movement on Mondays, and you know, just rather play Mondays safe than sorry. You know, don't get too greedy on a Monday. That's just like a rule. Don't get too greedy on Mondays or Fridays. So, you know, we'll lock in our profit. We'll be happy with what we caught. So you could have also, I was also eyeing this 5 minute BISI right here. Also would have been another good take profit area down here. 250 ticks. I did signal that to the team. I said, yo, if you guys want to hold all the way down to this level, it does look good. Second thing was also this level down here. But instead of holding all the way down to this lower level down here, which was 600 plus ticks, which is a massive hold, bro. You really have to have balls of steel to be holding 600 ticks, especially on a no news Monday, which usually tends to be less volatile. But today, I guess today had very efficient price action, to say the least. And, you know, we got blessed with it, and we came out super fucking green on the day, which is beautiful. So second entry of the day, after we see this giant sell-off, what do we see again? We see no retracement yet, right? Move all the way down. And this is a large move, boys. Like, we're talking about a 700 tick drop with a couple green candles on the 1 minute. That's insane, right? So we saw no retracement in this entire drop. We knew we were going to reverse at some point. Price literally cannot continue to just drop. We need to gather liquidity before we go further down or further up, right? That's exactly what the market did here. And what did I mark out here? Marked out this 1 minute SIBI because it's so far down on this range, and it also was lining up with fib, right? So we have the 0.618 and the 0.786 fib retracement level lining up with this entry. It was poking a little bit below fib retracement, but that's totally fine with me. I'll still take entry if it's below. And as we can see, took our entry at the consequent encroachment of that 1 minute BISI here. So if you're unfamiliar with BISI and SIBI, this would be called a BISI rather than a SIBI, right? BISI is a buy side imbalance. And boom, as we can see, basically zero drawdown on this entry, and we did 120 ticks. What do I target? I just target this recent little level right here. As we can see, we saw like price have a reaction here, and kind of consider that an order block because we can see a green candle, then strong sell pressure right after. And also I liked how both of these candles, the top of the candlestick, they both started and stopped at the same exact price, right? So meaning there's like orders still left behind right there. So boom, very simple target and tight stop loss on this. Had a 30 tick stop loss. Boom, nice 4 RR on this trade. And super simple, very clean price action. Went all the way to our TP in about 4 minutes and made good money on that as well. And that was our entries from today, bro. Absolutely beautiful. I was able to walk away with $200 in profit on the day. I went very low sizing on the day because election week, no news Monday, and we also have FOMC on Wednesday in 2 days. So lowered my size, had very tight stop losses, and we still came out very good on the day, bro. And it was very simple. Plenty of the members ate. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull up some of the gains from today. Whole team got to eat today as always, bro. And if you guys don't know, just take a look at some of the gains that were caught today. And if you guys don't know, I do have a Discord community and I live trade to my premium community every single day at 9:15 a.m. I screen share, I signal my trades through text channels, through the voice channel, and I also do trade recaps and trade breakdowns specifically and privately for my Discord, as well as study sessions, backtesting sessions, and pre-market analysis almost daily. So as you guys can see, I mean, plenty of people made money today, bro. And you know, that's just what we do, bro. And super good trades, very simple to follow along, very simple entries here, pretty standard. And you know, we got paid not only for our patience, but we also got paid for just following our strategy and, you know, doing the same thing day in and day out. And, you know, we did exactly that today. Got paid. Whole team made money as well. Super simple. This is our fucking job, bro. Like, we draw a couple boxes on the chart, draw a couple lines. That's as simple as that, bro. You know, all you have to do is just lock in, learn just a little bit, bro. Learn a little bit. Focus on your psychology, and you can do the exact same. We were already paid, you know, before 1 p.m. You know, we were already good. Didn't even have to leave the house, boys. So, GG's if you guys did make money, bro. Today, make sure you guys hit that like button on this video. And if you guys want more videos like this, bro, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to start pumping out more of these videos, hopefully. So, yo, I'll see you boys in the next one.